Hello and welcome to Ava Talks Crypto. I'm your host, Ava, and I'll be delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. For our top stories in this episode, market observers are answering the question why October is an important month for crypto industry. Coinbase recently held talks to buy FTX Europe. Ripple Labs wires millions of XRP tokens as price shows weekly surge. Two prominent AI chatbots confirm Forbes-published article that predicts XRP rally to $59,472. Japanese crypto exchange GMO will deposit yen equivalent of Songbird tokens, SGB, to traders who held XRP in 2020. If this is your first time watching our videos, Ava Talks Crypto is a YouTube channel dedicated to delivering all the hottest and latest news happening in the crypto space. We also upload daily market report videos so crypto traders and enthusiasts can have a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Before we begin, please support what we do by giving this video a big thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Don't miss out on the latest crypto news by hitting that bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. You can also share this video with your friends who may be interested. Lastly, we'd like to know what you think, so don't forget to leave a comment below. Now, let's move on and discuss today's headlines. As we reach the end of September, crypto market analysts and observers are already stating that October is an important month for the crypto industry. The crypto community has its eyes set on the US SEC, as it has some key decisions that could invariably affect the crypto industry and everyone involved in it. Next month, it is expected that the SEC will decide whether or not to appeal the ruling in its case against Grayscale. On August 29, Grayscale secured a court victory against the SEC as the District of Columbia Court of Appeals ruled that the SEC failed to provide a valid reason for denying Grayscale's application. The court ordered that the SEC review the application once again. Following the court's decision, a spokesperson from the SEC stated that they would review the decision before determining their next steps. If the SEC appeals, they would have to do so at the U.S. Supreme Court by filing a petition for a writ of certiorari. This document would ask the Supreme Court to review the case, or it can ask for an en banc review, which means that all the judges of the D.C. Court of Appeals will further review the case. If the SEC decides to pursue the appeal process, it will undoubtedly dampen the mood in the crypto community, as it will need to wait longer for a spot Bitcoin ETF. On the other hand, if the SEC decides not to appeal, the court's decision will become law because the spot and futures markets are correlated. It will also mean that the SEC's argument that the spot market is more susceptible to fraud and manipulation will no longer be valid. The second deadline for several pending spot Bitcoin ETF applications is also due in October. According to reports, the SEC must decide whether to approve, deny, or delay the applications. Some notable dates include October 16 and 17, where the former is the second deadline for Bitwise's applications for the Bitcoin ETP Trust. The latter is the date for the second deadline for the SEC to decide on the iShares Bitcoin Fund, WisdomTree Bitcoin Trust, VanEck Bitcoin Trust, Wise Origin Bitcoin Trust, and Invesco Galaxy Bitcoin ETF. Many market observers agree that the SEC will again choose to delay its decision on these applications. If the SEC decides to delay its decision on the applications, the new deadline will be January 2024. However, there are reports that there will be some positives to take from October. The SEC is expected to launch the pending Ethereum futures ETF applications. Volatility Shares is projected to launch on October 12, with others following soon. Next, we have reports coming in that Coinbase recently held talks about their intent on buying FTX Europe. According to sources, Coinbase has been wanting to expand its derivatives business. Coinbase is a US-based crypto exchange that has been seeking to expand globally amid regulatory crackdowns in its home country. Recently, the crypto firm has considered buying FTX Europe. Although the acquisition talks never reached a late stage, the firm's desire to acquire FTX Europe clearly shows that it intends to expand. Coinbase decided to consider FTX Europe after it went on sale after its parent company declared bankruptcy last fall. Coinbase wanted to acquire FTX Europe due to its highly profitable derivatives business and growing customer base. Derivatives are financial contracts that derive their value from an underlying asset, such as Bitcoin. This can be lucrative for both the traders and the exchanges that serve them. FTX Europe offered a significant amount of derivatives products. It was also the only firm with a license to offer perpetual futures, which is a highly popular derivatives offering in that region. Because of those licenses, it has attracted several potential buyers, including Coinbase, Crypto.com, and Trek Labs. Negotiations are still ongoing, and the latest talks with Coinbase never reached a final stage. In other news, crypto tracker Whale Alert announces that Ripple Labs initiated a transaction that carried a massive amount of XRP tokens to an unknown wallet. According to reports, the transaction carried a massive 50 million XRP tokens to an unknown wallet. At the time of this report, the equivalent dollar amount of the transaction was $25,657,374. After Whale Alert dug a little deeper, they found out that the mentioned source turned out to be another Ripple wallet. After the wallet received the 50 million XRP tokens, it transferred 130 million XRP to other wallets in 3 chunks. Those wallets also belong to Ripple Labs. Earlier this week, Whale Alert also spotted 120 million XRP that was withdrawn from major South Korean crypto exchange BitHum. According to sources, the transaction was between BitHum's internal blockchain addresses. Within the past week, XRP demonstrated a price rise of 4.65%. It should be noted that several market analysts are predicting XRP surges. Next, we have 2 prominent AI chatbots confirming a Forbes-published article that predicts an XRP rally to $59,472. Google Bard AI and Microsoft's Bing have made the XRP community excited with the mysterious Forbes article. The article, which has since been removed according to Microsoft Bing, stipulates that XRP will experience a substantial price surge. According to reports, the article claimed that the XRP will be the new Bitcoin and that it's headed to $59,472. While the exact reason for the article's removal remains undisclosed, there are already many wild speculations. Some in the crypto community believe that it has something to do with standard editorial procedures, while others say that it has something to do with legal or regulatory concerns. Enthusiasts remain hopeful despite the article having been removed from Forbes. Sources say that the factors that supported the forecast included the increased adoption of RippleNet and surging interest from institutional investors. It also included the bullish sentiment in the crypto market. Forbes is keeping things quiet regarding the mysterious article. It should be noted that AI chatbots, such as Bard and Bing, cite unofficial news sources. These chatbots only gather results from web searches, and their responses should never be taken as the ultimate truth. Market analysts say that news about XRP hitting $59,472 generates a lot of intrigue from the community. It should be noted that such a price forecast is highly unlikely given the XRP's current price of $0.5058. Even under ideal conditions, XRP would need to increase by about 12 million% in order to reach the price that the Forbes article purportedly specifies. To wrap things up, Japanese exchange GMO will offer XRP users the yen equivalent of the delayed Songbird airdrop. According to reports, Japanese crypto exchange GMO will be depositing the yen equivalent of Songbird tokens to some traders who have held XRP in 2020. Users will receive the yen equivalent of 0.1511 Songbird tokens for every XRP they hold as of December 12, 2020. Songbird is an experimental blockchain for the Flare network. Initially, Flare aimed to become a decentralized finance application that used XRP tokens. However, it gradually made the transition to a Layer 1 blockchain. XRP holders were meant to receive both Flare's FLR and SGB airdrops. However, Ripple's court case with the SEC delayed the airdrop plans. FLR tokens were finally distributed to holders after nearly a 2-year wait. SGB was delayed even further. Due to local laws, holders residing in Japan were deemed not eligible for this airdrop by some exchanges. GMO, one of the few regulated crypto exchanges in Japan, wanted to keep users happy and decided to issue Songbird airdrops to Ripple holders in Japanese yen. A notice from GMO stated that customers who held physical Ripple in their company account as of 9 a.m. on December 12, 2020, are eligible for the Songbird airdrops. These are the latest news stories we have for you today. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Before you go, don't forget to check out our daily market report videos to get a closer look at Bitcoin's daily market performance. Again, this is Ava from Ava Talks Crypto. Thank you, and take care.